Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to crochet the base chain, the very first step in any crochet project. First, take your yarn and make sure the end is facing you. Hold the yarn between your thumb and fingers of your left hand, and hold your crochet hook comfortably in your right hand, just like holding a pencil or a knife, whichever feels easier. Now, let's make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to make a small loop. Pull the working yarn, that's the yarn connected to the ball, through the loop using your hook. Gently tighten it to form a knot on your hook. Next, hold the tail end of the yarn with your left hand and pull it through the loop on your hook. That's your first chain stitch. Repeat. Yarn over, pull through the loop, and keep going until you have the number of chains you need. Each little loop you see is one chain stitch. Try to keep your tension even, not too tight or too loose. When you're done, you've made your base chain, the foundation for your crochet project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.